Head of the Department of Child Services had some explaining to do in court today. A judge wanted to know why the agency dragged its feet turning over key documents in the case of a child who was tortured and killed. WRTV's Kara Kenny was there for the hearing and explains what happened.
The Indiana Department of Child Services and its director Eric Miller have faced criticism for not being transparent. A Hendricks County judge ordered Miller to appear in court today to explain why they're not producing documents. This all stems from the torture and killing of Judah Morgan. The 4-year-old LaPorte boy died in October 2021. Judah's foster mom, Gina Hollett, filed a civil lawsuit against Alan Morgan, Judah's biological dad, who was convicted of murdering Judah. The lawsuit alleges DCS closed Judah's file despite evidence Judah was in danger. While DCS is not a party to the civil lawsuit, they've been ordered to turn over documents for Judah's case. Judge Freese ordered DCS Director Eric Miller to appear in court to explain why the agency has failed to obey the court's orders.
If you go ahead and state your name, spell your last name for the court reporter.
Eric Miller.
Hollett and her attorney are asking for text messages, voicemails, photos, and missing records from Judah's case.
Sir, can you tell me, are there any records which were related to Judah Morgan which were not preserved?
I've been advised by counsel that everything that we have following our policies has been provided.
DCS attorneys said today they've turned over more than 130,000 pages of records after reviewing more than 1 million documents.
That's the most important part of your job, is to keep children safe, correct?
There are many important parts of my job.
You think there's anything more important to your job than keeping children safe in the state of Indiana?
Our #1 priority is the safety of children.
DCS also told the court they don't keep text messages on a server and say Hollett's attorney needs to subpoena the wireless providers. Hollett's attorney and the judge question why the agency did not search email accounts for Miller.
My name is not there.
Or the former director.
This is the death of a child. Don't care if there's 10 million CHINS cases out there. There's not 10 million child deaths in a year. If the department is such that the director doesn't have one email regarding the death of a child, that's suspect.
Eric Miller served as the chief of staff since 2017 and took over as director on May 8th. Earlier this month, WRTV Investigates told you Eric Miller has refused to sit down with us to talk about his plans for the agency, a decision that's not sitting well with foster parents and lawmakers.
As the director, the buck stops with him. And so he has got to, answer those tough questions.
I mean, this is a taxpayer-funded agency.
Yes.
He is a taxpayer-funded official, and these are our children.
Director Miller did not stop to speak with the media after the hearing. What was your take on the DCS director's testimony?
Unfortunately, it's what I expected.
Hollett's attorney says he's considering legal action against DCS employees. Judah's foster mom does not want his death to be in vain.
And so if we can get answers to what went wrong in his case, then maybe that will help correct some things within the system to help better save other kids.
We've been asking to speak with Director Miller for the past few months, and our request still stands. Kara Kenny, WRTV.
The civil lawsuit was filed in Hendricks County because Alan Morgan was in prison in Plainfield at the time. As for Mary Yoder, Judah's mother, she was convicted earlier this year for neglect of a dependent resulting in death. Her sentencing is scheduled for November 1st. A judge will decide at a later date whether DCS is in contempt of court.